Hey there, you're watching Amitha Verma. It's that time of year again, where you've got glitter on your face and all throughout your hair for 2 months. It's holiday time. Now, I know it may feel early for some of you, and it may even be a little bit too late for some of you who love to put Christmas decor up early, but I wanted to share some of the beautiful things that we have in my shop that goes into the latest holiday decor trends. Now, I'm going to be showing you things for your tree, some of the things that I'm absolutely loving that are going to be classics for the next decade. And I'm also going to be sharing with you ways that you can go beyond traditional tree decorating. Now, I want you to stay watching all the way through the end of this video because I have a very, very special treat for you that is a once in a year opportunity, something we haven't been able to do in the last 2 years. So make sure you watch to the end because you're going to love this special offer. One of our favorite client colors are this very beautiful French blue, and we create a beautiful design holiday scape for an entire home with just this color. Now, what I love about this color is it's very neutral and it ties into a lot of these really great new decor trends that we're seeing. I want to know your thoughts in the comments on what you think about this one. Whenever we design a collection, we're always 1 year ahead of the trends and it takes the next year for things to catch on. So you're definitely getting a very insider scoop. So this iridescent color is very hot. And what I love about this is it's going to be a beautiful addition to any tree color. If you've got traditional red and green, or you want to embrace the French blue, or you're really into whitewash, this is a stunning piece of decor. Similarly, I always call these stems and fillers in my process, and look at how big this is. It's almost like a square foot. So it's going to take up a lot of real estate on your tree, something that you definitely want to have at least 6 to 12 pieces of. And again, you're seeing this beautiful iridescent shimmer, which is going to add all of these different shades throughout your tree of blue, of green, of silver, of pink, of red, of violet. So that's what I love about this trend especially. And you can, of course, do this with an ornament if you're afraid or unsure how to use the stems. Now, another tree trend that's really disappeared and is coming back are garlands. Now, when we think of garlands, we probably think of those very traditional tinsel style garland and feel like, oh my gosh, that's so 1980s. So this is the new style of garland. So you can see it's gonna take the place of the traditional garland that we think about, but it's filled with more holiday decor. So you can see we have all of these beautiful antique golds, which is gonna feel like you've had it for a decade. It's worn and warm and welcoming, and it's gonna give you all that warmth that you like in your home. And similarly, you can see the same thing here with this garland that looks a little bit more blingy. And so I love using this sort of decor when I want to glam up a tree versus going a little bit more subtle. So I want to introduce to you some very beautiful ribbon collections that we're going to be introducing into our holiday decor over at the shop this year. So here you can see this really gorgeous white, kind of whitewashed, distressed wood, almost look and feel ribbon with just a hint of gold. Now, here are some other favorite ribbons that we're going to be showing and showcasing this year in our collection. Just a beautiful skinny velvet ribbon. I've probably talked your ear off about Christmas tree decor, so let's move on to tabletop decor in ways you can use Christmas decor beyond your tree. So as you can see, I've grouped together a couple of different beautiful tabletop jewel trees in the gold family. Now you can see the same thing going on over here. We've got a variety of glass and these beautiful kind of silver, distressed whitewash styles. I personally love all these beautiful large crystal jeweled stones at the bottom of the tree, or details like this beautiful glass tree that has this pear shape. I'm all about the pear. My earrings are always in a pear shape. And then it has this little lighted detail which just feels so magical and holiday inspired, the sorts of feelings and twinkle that we want to see and feel with our holiday decor when we're at home. Now, moving on to another very interesting trend that you're gonna start seeing in holiday decor, you're gonna start seeing a lot of animals. I really saw it through the eyes of my little one, Rohan, who was helping me create our collection. He was drawn to those animals, and I thought, what a beautiful way to bring in decor without having to add another layer of bling or crystal or gold. So one of my favorite pieces this year, it's so cute, something I can totally see as kitchen decor, are these stacked animals. It's so farmhousey. It's got this beautiful rustic metal, but a little bit of garland ivy right here, and these cute animals stacked up onto each other. What do we have? We have a rooster, a lamb, a pig standing on top of a cow. Another way you can sneak this little trend in is just by adding some beautiful holiday decorated stuffed animals in and around your Christmas tree. But I love adding these little whimsical touches so that our children get to feel that magic of the holidays as well. One of our most frequently asked questions is, what are the trends that you're seeing for a tree topper? So I'm going to share with you one of my absolute favorites. I love using pieces like this, a beautiful vintage inspired crown with the right amount of gold and a little bit of stonework to really feel like a majestic tree topper. Now, what if you can't get your hands on a beautiful tree topper idea like this? Well, remember in the beginning, I told you I have a very special announcement that I wanted to share with you. I am very excited that we have put together a workshop for you to learn how to use all of this decor. I am going to be sharing with you step by step the process that I use to put my tree together, to put some tablescapes together, on how to use all of this beautiful tabletop decor, how to top your tree, and so much more. Now, this is going to be a virtual event and a live in-person event. So wherever you are, you can attend this workshop. It's going to be Saturday, November 13th, and I'm going to put all of the details of how to register for the workshop, what you're going to learn, in the description box below. Now, of course, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section or give us a call. We'll be sure to answer any questions for you. I hope you loved this sneak peek into just some of the decorating trends that I'm going to be sharing with you for the upcoming holiday season. If so, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That helps me know that you love this type of content. Then when you're done, hit the subscribe or the follow button, and then make sure to ring the bell so you don't miss another one of our inspiring episodes. After that, head over to my website where you can sign up to receive your free design newsletter and, of course, learn more about this wonderful event that we're putting on for you. Till the next time we meet, keep using your amazing gifts to create heart in your home.